Is your skin feeling irritated, breaking out, or looking dull? Then this skin barrier friendly skincare routine might be exactly what you need. So, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my simple and effective skincare routine that keeps my skin calm, hydrate, and barrier healthy. First, I start with the Anua toner pads. These are super gentle, help soothe the skin while giving light hydration. I softly swipe them across my face without rubbing too hard because protection is the key. Protecting the skin barrier is the main goal. You can already see the dirts which came out from my skin. So next I go with the COSRX Peptide Serum. This is the purely gem. This step helps with hydration, smoother skin texture which is very important, and supports skin barrier repair. I use just 2 to 3 drops and gently pat into my skin. Next, I apply the Dot and Key Moisturiser. This locks all the hydration and keep my skin soft and very soothed, nourished without feeling heavy. A good moisturizer is a must for barrier friendly. अगर आपको जल्दी कुछ करना है अपना barrier ठीक करने के लिए तो please use this Dot and Key Moisturiser which is very affordable. You can buy it from Nykaa or somewhere else. Then the final and the most important step, Hyphen mineral sunscreen. Mineral sunscreen are amazing for sensitive skin because they feel gentle and very lightweight on your skin, helps protect the skin barrier from the sun damage. और अगर आपको मेरे जैसा बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव स्किन है देन प्लीज़ ये सनस्क्रीन एक बारी मेरे बोलने पे ट्राई करके देखो देन यू विल बी शॉक्ड. सो दैट्स माई एवरीडे स्किन बैरियर फ्रेंडली रूटीन. अगर आपका भी बैरियर ख़राब हो गया है तो आप ये रूटीन ज़रूर फॉलो करना. इफ़ यू एन्जॉय दिस वीडियो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब. And one last thing, healthy skin start with a healthy barrier. Is your skin feeling irritated, breaking out, or looking dull? Then this skin barrier friendly